Hey secret entrepreneurs! In today's video, I'm going to show you the tools and automation we use and the 5 steps we repeat over and over to scale and run our Amazon business. Running a business selling your own brand of products on Amazon can seem daunting at first. But when you break it down, the secret to success on Amazon is simply to follow a process that's repeatable and not get bogged down at any stage. Most people spend too much time looking for the perfect product that will make them a millionaire with just one roll of the dice. The reality is, they will spend months or maybe even years before they launch a product and then find themselves with huge competition, all fighting for the big prize. At Secret Entrepreneur, our approach is really straightforward. We're looking for products that can sell $10,000 or more per month that we can launch quickly and that we can easily differentiate and beat our competitors. Action breeds success, and by moving quickly, we can repeat the process regularly. If you do the math, it only takes 8 or 9 products selling $10,000 per month or more before you have a $1 million per year business. The thing that really allows us to move quickly and scale our Amazon business is by following 5 repeatable steps and using tools and automation from Helium 10. Stay to the end and I'll show you a way to get a free Helium 10 account with all the tools we use in this video. Let's get started. Step 1. Find $10,000 per month products. During this first stage, we must keep moving. It's really easy to get bogged down and overanalyze every single detail. Our aim is to get a short list of 10 potential products in under an hour and then spend no longer than a few days emailing potential suppliers and evaluating the profitability and opportunity each presents before we choose a product to go with. To shortlist products, we use 5 tools from Helium 10. The first is called Black Box, which is an extremely powerful tool that searches 450 million Amazon products in seconds and only returns the products that meet the criteria we set. You can find products that are closely related to existing products, or you can find products that you never would have thought of in a million years. In fact, we found products before that we never even knew existed. Once we've found something interesting using Black Box, we'll use another tool called X-Ray to dive deep and see just how good an opportunity it is. X-Ray will give us a bird's eye view of the market for that product. Just by taking a likely search term and clicking the X-Ray button, Helium 10 will automatically grab all the data for the leading sellers of that type of product. Instantly, we have the average selling price and the sales data for the product and know whether it can hit our $10,000 per month goal. At this point, we'll quickly use another Helium 10 tool called Trendster to check that the demand for the product is all year round and ensure that we're not going to be stuck with a product that is highly seasonal and people only buy for 1 or 2 months per year. Now, we need to see if this is a product we can easily differentiate and beat our competitors. To do this, we use the Helium 10 Review Downloader tool to filter and extract the 1, 2, and 3-star reviews of the top 3 sellers of this product. This quickly identifies the biggest complaints about the existing products on Amazon and is a treasure trove of ideas for ways we can stand out from the crowd by working with our supplier to improve the product in these areas. In under 5 minutes, we know whether this is a product we want to add to our shortlist. Finally, in this stage, we'll use the profitability calculator to calculate the profitability of the products on our shortlist after the cost of purchasing and shipping from the supplier and Amazon fees. Step 2. Find the best keywords to rank number 1 on Amazon. Now we need to start to think about how we can sell the product. The way people find products on Amazon is via searches for a keyword or phrase. So, if we want our product to be found, we need to have a clear understanding of all the search terms people use on Amazon to find that sort of product. Plus, in order to prioritize, it's also vital to know how many times each of those search terms are used, and therefore how many sales they lead to. Again, we use Helium 10 tools to automate this and give us access to valuable data. First is Cerebro, which literally spies on our competitors and tells us every search term they are ranking for on Amazon. Even if we have no idea of what search term a customer would use to search for this type of product, Cerebro will tell us exactly what they're ranking for and the search volume for each. Once we know the main search terms, we can use these as seed keywords in a second tool called Magnet, which will dive deep into its database and give us a whole list of other related keywords. So, with no guessing, and in only a few minutes, we have a complete list of relevant search terms, and more importantly, the search volumes for each, so we can choose which ones to target. One final Helium 10 tool we use at this stage is called Misspellinator. This tool finds common ways your main search terms are misspelt. People are human and sometimes mistype or misspell when they search. When they do, we want to be the listing that shows up. Not many competitors will be doing this, so these are usually very easy to rank and easy sales to grab. Step 3. Create the perfect Amazon product listing that sells. Now that we have a targeted list of search terms, the next stage is to write our product listing page. There are two important goals here to balance. First, we need to really sell the product to the customer and ensure they buy from us rather than a competitor. Secondly, we need to ensure our product listing page is indexed by Amazon for the search terms we have identified. This can be a time-consuming stage, so we return to Helium 10 to automate and do this quickly. To start with, we return to the Review Downloader tool. We already have all the negative reviews and have hopefully improved our product to turn some of those negative points that customers don't like about a competitor's products into selling points for why they should buy ours. Now, we want to use the Review Downloader tool again to extract the positive reviews and discover the things customers really like about our competitor's product. This might seem strange, but it tells us the selling points that matter to the customer, and we can be sure to include these prominently in our product listing to help sell our product. Next, we need to ensure that all our search terms are included in the text of our product listing. We don't need to include individual words more than once, so the first thing we do is reduce the size of the list by removing duplicate words. This is done in seconds by pasting the whole search term list into the Frankenstein tool, which will return a list of individual and unique words. Now we use this list together with all the selling points we've identified from the reviews to write our product listing page using Helium 10's Scribbles tool. Scribbles will automatically tell us which words we have and haven't used, so it's easy to see which words we still need to weave into the copy. Now we have a great base to start with for our product listing page, and we can continue to tweak it over time to increase sales and add new search terms we identify. One final Helium 10 tool that is relevant to this stage is the Index Checker. This tool automatically checks Amazon to see if our product listing is appearing in the results for a search term. Using this, we can quickly see if we need to make changes to our product listing to ensure we are indexed for all the search terms we are targeting. Step 4. Launching and tracking the product. Now that we are launching the product, we once again use Helium 10's automation and tools to help us. Firstly, we use the Keyword Tracker tool to track the position we are ranked for in all the search terms we're targeting. We can see how keywords are performing for us over time and even get an email sent daily with a summary so we can follow at a glance. We also use the Cerebro tool to help plan our launch promotions. Cerebro shows us which search terms are more competitive and higher volume, and how many sales would be required to get ranked on page 1. Using this data, we can carefully target keywords that are attainable at this stage and know the number of units to include in our promotions. Finally, we use the follow-up tool to send automated emails that go out to our customers at set intervals after they've purchased. This way, we can ensure customer concerns and issues are answered immediately and obtain valuable feedback and reviews. Step 5. Running your Amazon business with minimal effort. We want to spend as much time as possible scaling and growing our Amazon business. So the more we can automate the day-to-day running of the business, the better. I want to show you 4 more Helium 10 tools we use to do this and spend more time on growing the business. The Profits tool takes care of the numbers. It automatically presents our sales and profit data all together in one place and allows us to measure profitability at a glance. We can get an accurate pulse across all our product listings and quickly make effective decisions on what is profitable and what is not. We start each day reviewing the Profits dashboard to quickly see trends and spot issues and see what is working and what is not. The Refund Genie tool automatically identifies money that Amazon owes you. Amazon will reimburse you for issues they were at fault for, such as lost inventory or items damaged in transit. The thing is, they're not very good at processing these refunds. So all we do is run Helium 10's Refund Genie once in a while, and it produces a report of what Amazon is due to pay us. We simply send this to seller support, and they give us the money. We've added thousands to our bottom line thanks to Refund Genie, and all it takes is a few clicks. The final two tools we use are to protect the Amazon business we've worked hard to build up. Helium 10's Alert tool will monitor all our product listings 24 hours a day for us. It will alert us if anything changes that we need to know about. For example, if a hijacker starts selling a counterfeit product using our listing page, or someone changes the images or text, or Amazon blocks the listing for some reason. Knowing that alert will notify us means that we don't spend hours each day manually checking our listings. Finally, the Inventory Protector tool allows us to protect our listings from malicious competitors or coupon stackers who can use discount codes to wipe out big chunks of our inventory during promotions. Through Inventory Protector, we can set a maximum order quantity that limits this during promotions and return it to normal after the promotion is finished. All peace of mind so that we can get on with the important stuff. Hopefully, this video has explained how we use the automation and tools of Helium 10 to keep our Amazon business moving forward. Doing all this manually would grind our business to a halt, and I'm sure the decisions we make would be sketchy at best. We've tried to keep this video short, but let us know in the comments if you would like us to go into more depth on any of the stages or any of the Helium 10 tools in a future video. Now, if you would like to get the Helium 10 tools for yourself, then we've lined up something very special for the Secret Entrepreneur Tribe. Use the link in the description below to get a completely free Helium 10 account. The free account is limited, but you get access to all the powerful tools, including Black Box and X-Ray, so you can try them out for yourself. When you're ready to upgrade to an unrestricted account, we have you covered there too, with a special discount code for secret entrepreneurs. Now, I don't know how long we can keep this available for. Helium 10 might get a bit nervous if we give away too many free accounts. So grab yours now and supercharge your Amazon business.